Here we go. That means there's debris on the track somewhere. Gotta hit this white line out here. The fun part. You kind of want to come back to the middle and settle down for a split second before you turn again. You don't want to be like shoo, 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 shoo. Bro. People take this turn without lifting, and I definitely don't do that. That's just crazy. Yeah, bro. That's too heavy. Now this is a passing spot, you gotta set up and go. I'll get him next time. got set up to pass him here. Gotta stay close. the train. Dude, I think it's like a drift car damn near. But he's out here all the time. I gotta stay close, make sure I'm ready to pass him. Huh? At the end, you're supposed to kind of like acknowledge them, but that's the homie up there that does the checker flag, so he always waves. I usually try to chuck the deuces. There's Dave. Like you gotta pull off. So usually you take the time to cool your car off. Let some air get through it. Yeah, it is what it is, but it gets you more comfortable, because if you're gonna race or something, you're gonna be around people. And it's even crazier when you have like super fast traffic around you. Because then you got to be aware, like you're in their way, you know? What do you think? Yeah, and like, I think if you're gonna stick around, you should come to my meeting with me, so you kind of see what actually.
We walked in towards the end of the last one, right? That's why I wanted to do.
Yeah, and those guys, I've never had a meeting with them before, but the people that do group 1 and 2 for beginners, they're hella good instructors. They're friendly, they're funny, you know, they'll hold people accountable and teach you some stuff. So like, I think that's an even better part of it, because it's like you really go to school. You're in the classroom. Like, as a beginner, you actually like spend a lot of the day in meetings, you know? But it's useful. Like, what are you gonna do? Like, sit around, you know? Look at a couple Camaros. X-Body boys. That red one, he was my instructor at Thunder Hill. He's really good. That's the Ferrari, dude.
Yeah, that thing's insane.
It sounds crazy. It's fast as hell. Also, etiquette for the paddock. You shouldn't try to back into a spot if someone's like behind you. That's a little sloppy. But like, yeah, like if racers are behind you, pull straight in, because people got to do, places to be, you know? It's just kind of polite. All right, thanks for riding with me, dude. That was hella fun. And we got to push it a little bit. We got to follow some cars. You know, like, got to do a little bit of everything, some passing, getting past. So yeah, it was dope.
Start racing.